Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm super excited to share with you this aquarium starter kit with Smart System. It's a 2.4-gallon desktop aquarium that's not only great for your fish but also brings a really nice relaxing vibe to your space. When you open the box, you get everything you need to get started. A 3-in-1 filtration pump with reusable filter pads, three decorative plants, a built-in aromatherapy spray extender, and this really cool 7-color LED light with a timer. Now, the tank itself is made from ultra-high definition 4 mm thickened glass. It's super clear. You can see every detail of your fish, and it even has a non-slip base plate so it stays stable on your desk or table. The filtration system is one of my favorite parts. It's a self-circulating 3-in-1 pump, which means the water stays clean, oxygenated, and moving. It's also real quiet, less than 30 decibels, so you and your fish enjoy peace and calm. On the front, you'll notice the digital temperature display. I like this feature because it lets you see the water temperature in real time. Now, let's talk about the light system. This aquarium has a 7-color LED light that you can customize. You can adjust the brightness, change the colors, and even use the timer function. Let me show you how to set the light timer. Press and hold the humidifier button to enter the lighting timer setting function. Press the lamp button to select the desired time. Press and hold the humidifier button to confirm the setting. As for size, it's 2.4 gallons and measures 11.81 by 9.53 by 5.83 inches. The top lids flips open and can be removed, so feeding your fish and cleaning the tank is really easy. Overall, I love that it isn't just an aquarium, it's like a mini smart system. You get clean water, oxygen for your fish, real-time temperature monitoring, adjustable lights, and even aromatherapy for you. Perfect for a desk, a nightstand, or even an office. So if you're looking for a stylish and multifunctional aquarium, this one is definitely worth checking out.